This 2015 Newmar Bay Star 3402 is a Class A RV. It is located in Louisville, Tennessee, 37777 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Knoxville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2015 Newmar Bay Star 3402 is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.